In this video, we are going to talk about best ways to make money with YouTube, so before starting this video, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Once someone enters the internet world, they start to see many ways for them to earn money online. There are at least a dozen ways to make money online. These include how to make money blogging, affiliate marketing, ebook revenues, freelancing with sites like Upwork or Odesk, earning from AdSense, and so on. But if you were to choose the best 2 options to make money online, blogging is usually number 1, followed closely by monetizing YouTube videos. Here's a list of the best ways to make money with YouTube. Let's start. How to make money on YouTube selling merchandise, digital products or services? Selling a product or service that's relevant to your audience is a great way to make an income from YouTube. If you have a smaller audience, advertising custom t-shirts, ebooks and other digital products can become a significant revenue stream that's not dependent on millions of views. YouTube now offers its YouTube Partner Program members the option of merchandising by integrating third-party merchandising platforms on YouTube. For example, YouTuber Millie Adrian has integrated Spreadshirt with her YouTube page. Note the additional tab on the menu bar, so viewers can purchase her merchandise directly from YouTube. If you're not a YouTube partner yet, you can still create a third-party store and add links to it in your video descriptions. Once you've met the criteria for merchandising on YouTube, all you have to do is plug this in. You will need at least 10,000 subscribers to activate YouTube's merchandise feature. Fan funding. Fan funding platforms allow users who appreciate your content to support your work through one-time or monthly donations, and you don't need to be a YouTube partner to start. Recurring donations from even a small number of fans can provide you with a steady additional income. Like YouTube channel memberships, most creators provide fans who donate with a few perks and freebies to make them feel valued and thank them for their support. One of most popular fan funding platforms, Patreon, makes it really easy for creators to get paid. Fans can subscribe to their favorite creators for as little as $1 a month and receive exclusive rewards. Patreon also allows you to launch membership-only video channels through YouTube at a small fee per month. Dream's Patreon page is a great example of receiving support from the Patreon community. Note how you can support their work for as little as $5 a month. Providing a wide range of support options makes it easier for more people to show their support. Super Chats. If you're a gamer or a live streamer, Super Chats is one of the best available options for you to make money off YouTube. It allows YouTube partners to create a tipping jar for viewers to donate whenever and however much they feel like during live streams and make their comments more visible, and therefore more likely to receive attention. Comments are highlighted in vibrant colors, red, green or blue, and include the donor's name, and how much money they have spent. Viewers can pay between $1 and $500 to get their comment pinned at the top of the chat. The amount of time a comment stays pinned depends on how much money the viewer spends. For example, a $100 super chat stays pinned in the live chat for 1 hour. A $300 super chat stays pinned for 3 hours. Scheduled videos and crowdfunding. It would be much easier for a viewer to catch your content if you publish it in a specific time frame in a regular basis. It might also make them more tending to following your channel, which is to subscribe to you. It is crucial to have base audience which would always come for your content so that you can ensure your number of views for each video. This also is ensuring a steady amount of income. Crowdfunding is becoming more and more common with the introduction of Kickstarter and Indiegogo. It could be a great source of money if you have a great idea for a media project on YouTube. Not only does it generate your initial fund, it also contributes to establish audience and revenue for your project in the future. For example, famous YouTube channel Corridor Digital uses Patreon as a way to fund their videos or movie projects, with return of special perks for these supporters. Channel membership. Just a while back, YouTube launched the sponsorship feature, which has been renamed as channel membership. Channel membership lets eligible YouTube creators to collect a monthly subscription fee from their biggest fans. In exchange, fans get access to exclusive content, perks, and badges from their favorite content creators. To become eligible for a channel membership, you must be a serious YouTube creator with a solid following. Here are the details. Your channel must have more than 30,000 subscribers. Your channel is in the YouTube Partner Program. You are over 18 years old. You are located in one of the available locations. You and your MCN, if applicable, have agreed to and are complying with our terms and policies, including the applicable Commerce Product Addendum. You have 0 active strikes, copyright strike, community guidelines strike. You are allowed 3 strikes before termination. Sell others' products as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing means selling products in exchange for a commission. Hundreds of thousands of companies offer attractive deals to affiliate marketers who promote their products, including huge companies, like Amazon and eBay, as well as smaller companies. Additionally, there are many affiliate networks you can join. These networks include ClickBank, Commission Junction, and ShareAsale.com. To make money from YouTube as an affiliate marketer, review your affiliate products on video, or create how to use this product tutorials. Don't forget to link to your products in your YouTube descriptions. Make sure you're using your affiliate link, or you won't get credit for sales. How to make money using YouTube Premium? YouTube Premium is a subscription service that offers users access to exclusive content and ad-free viewing. While creators earn revenue through ads on the free version, YouTube Premium offers a share of their revenue from subscriptions, which can give your income a healthy boost. The basis for revenue on YouTube Premium is based on watch time. Watch time is the total amount of time in aggregate that viewers spend watching your videos. So, for example, if one channel receives a higher watch time than another, it gets a larger chunk of the money, which means you're competing with other YouTubers for a share of watch time. However, premium members can also download your videos to watch offline on mobile and play them in the background, which can help substantially increase your watch time. Use YouTube to get traffic to your website and blog. If you've got a website or blog which brings in income, you need traffic. Many websites were hard hit by Google's Panda, Penguin and Hummingbird updates. If this happened to you, you're hurting. You can use YouTube to not only regain traffic, but also increase it. Get started with the Creator Playbook. Once you're set up, consider repurposing some older content into videos, as well as creating new videos. Make sure that you link to your own website in the first line of your video descriptions, so you can funnel your YouTube traffic to where you want it to go. YouTube Partnership Program, YouTube AdSense. You can monetize your YouTube channel with AdSense. AdSense shows contextual ads on your videos and you earn money whenever a viewer clicks on the ad. This is by far the easiest way that YouTubers are making money. The best way to increase your revenue is to increase the views on your videos. It is as simple as that. This isn't easy by any means. YouTube expects you to have put a certain bit of effort before you are eligible for the YouTube Partnership Program. Eligibility criteria for the YouTube Partnership Program is YouTube Partnership Program should be available in your country. You have more than 4,000 watch hours in the previous year. You have more than 1000 subscribers, you create content that meets YouTube Partner Program policies, you have linked an approved AdSense account. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.